So I got the Apres Hypno Gel Series 1 and 2 about a week ago, and when I received the box, let me tell you, it's really pretty. So it's actually kind of fancy. So the first box has the Hypno Gel Series 1, which includes the solid colors 1 through 6, and the second box has the cat eye glitter gel, which I was really curious to try. I've never seen a cat eye with glitter, but that will be on a second video because it will be too long for YouTube, especially for my first video. So the box includes a picture of what they're supposed to look like, and in the back there's instructions. It includes two magnets with different shapes. And I've been using Opera for over a year now, and I'm really in love with their system. So when I finally decided to add a cat eye gel polish to my collection, after researching different brands, I kind of want to give Opera a chance since I don't have any issues with it. The only thing is I couldn't find any reviews on YouTube. So I kind of took it upon myself to buy the product, try it, and kind of share my thoughts for you guys, and maybe that will help you decide as well. So I decided to swatch the colors over a black polish base. You don't necessarily have to do that. You can choose any other dark colors. It all depends on the look that you're going for, the design. I am not sure about the light color though, but I will definitely try and keep you guys posted. The instructions in the packaging are really simple. All you need to have is your base color that is cured. Then you apply one layer of the Hypno Gel. You don't play with it. You go ahead and cure it for 30 seconds if you have an LED lamp, or 60 seconds in a UV lamp. Then after that, you go ahead and apply a second coat. And this time you do play with it. And after you reached your design, go ahead and cure it for the same amount of time. After that, you can top coat it. And right now I'm just playing with bottle number 1, which is named Blue. I guess they ran out of cute names for colors. And my first impression is, wow, is very pigmented, at least in the bottle. So right now when I'm applying it, as you can see that color really well. I am not sure you will actually need a second coat on this one. Of course, it can vary depending on the color and depending on the pigmentation, but on this one, I'm just generally impressed. It looks kind of cool. I like it. It's my first time actually playing with cat eye gels, so I'm not sure what kind of design I can make with this kind of magnet. So I'm just playing around. The awesome thing about gel is that you can play with it as long as you want. It's very forgiving. I don't have to worry about getting the gel getting dried on me, or that I have to work too fast. I just can play and play and play until I can pop it in the lamp and then cure it. Another thing that I'm learning is if you're not happy with the design, how things are moving, if you need to start over, you don't need to reapply another layer of the Hypno Gel, at least not on this one. All you have to do is just take the big magnet and just kind of hover all over the tip and move it from left to right and kind of drag that magnet to kind of like start over again, and then just go ahead and keep playing. Again, this is showing how forgiving the gel is. So no rush, take your time, make sure everything looks great. And look at this guy, how pigmented that is. Isn't that great? I totally love this blue color. So I grabbed the other magnet wand, and I'm using the end of the tip that has 4 points. And at this point, I'm just kind of trying what kind of designs I can get. So right now I'm just getting circles. As I'm playing with it, it looks like I'm trying to go for a kind of like a reptile skin design, which is not bad. That's kind of cool. But after everything was said and done, one of my best nail tech friends, she was telling me that with that one, you can actually make spirals and lines. And by some reason, I just didn't think about it. So I definitely have to play a little bit more in and see what I can get. And at this point, the gel is not cured yet. I'm still playing with it. And as you can see, I'm kind of resetting it with the big magnet. So then I decided to use the floral point, and definitely you can make some sort of like flower design with it. I'm excited about this one because if I feel like there's so many things that you can do. You can cure it like that, and you can add 3D designs, you can add foils, you can add nail stamping, you can add gems. I mean, it's up to you really, what you can create. I'm really fascinated by this one. And last but not least, I am using the ballpoint, which is the opposite of the big magnet. And comparing it with a big magnet, I find that it's making finer lines, and you can achieve that traditional look of the cat eye, like that kind of like line across or the little S. So I find that you have better results with the that ballpoint. So I decided that I'm done playing with it. I feel like I got the basics of how to use the magnets. Definitely with more practice, I can achieve more designs. So let's move on to the other color. And let's open bottle number 2 is a green color. And to be honest with you, in the image, it doesn't really look green. It looks more like a silver. But sometimes images can be deceiving, especially when you're buying polishes. So I'm opening the bottle and I was right. Oh man, I really wanted a green color. So this one is more like a silver with a green tint. And I think I sound a little bit disappointed just because I saw the 4D cat eye from Born Pretty store and their green color is absolutely stunning. It looks like a forest green. So I think I was just expecting that this bottle was gonna look like that. But it's still pretty. It's just not an intense green. Definitely our clients will know that we were going for that green theme, if that makes sense. But it's still pretty. I mean, I like it. And this is what it looks like after curing it under the lamp. All right, moving on to bottle number 3. It's gonna be the silver color. And I've been looking forward to open this bottle and see what we get. And let's see. Oh, that is a true silver right there. It looks very metallic-y. Almost like if you wanted to do some chrome, silver chrome on it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you guys are gonna have a lot of fun with this one. And I am digging this silver. It's really pigmented. And I just want to mention that I am not following the instructions. This is just one layer over the black base. And it is just simply amazing. This is my favorite color so far. And I can see myself using this one a lot and creating different things for my clients. I can see them getting excited about this one. All right, let's move on to bottle number 4, and that one is a red. And I'm just gonna open the bottle and see what we get. And as I'm opening the bottle, I can already see that it's not a true red, it's actually a red pink. And it does have a lot of pigmentation. And as I'm applying it, I'm actually thinking that I am going to follow the instructions this time, and I'm gonna do one layer. I am not gonna play with it, I'm just gonna go ahead and cure it. And then I'm gonna apply the second layer, go ahead and play with the magnet and see what I get. So here it is, the second layer. Well, this one is the cure one, and as you can see, it doesn't move anywhere, it's just there. So here is my second layer, and I'm just gonna play with that and see why is it that I need to do 2 layers instead of 1. What's the difference, or if there's any difference for that matter. So again, same pigmentation, and as I'm putting the magnet close, I actually notice, and I'm not sure if you can see it in the camera, but I actually notice that when the magnet moves, it leaves some sort of red background, kind of like, I don't know if because the base is black, but it looks kind of like a brownish reddish. And that's really really cool. I can see now why you need to do 2 layers. It just really gives an extra dimension to the color and to the effect. So I will do that from now on. All right, so bottle number 5. That is my favorite color, and that is purple. So I am really crossing fingers that it's gonna be a true purple. And oh my gosh, it is. Yes, 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 yes. Purple, purple, purple. Oh my gosh. It is so pretty. Using gold with this one. Oh gosh. Oh gosh, I want it right now. Look at that. I got so distracted by the purple that I totally forgot we are into our last bottle, and that is bottle number 6 is a brown color. And I'm gonna be honest, I was kind of hesitant to have a brown cat eye in my collection because I didn't know if I'm really gonna use it a lot. And it's because my clients usually do not gravitate towards brown. They tend to stay away from that color unless it's fall. And I just didn't know if I was truly gonna use it. But looking at the color and applying it in the swatch, I can tell that it's super pretty. It has a lot of potential. And as I'm playing with the brown, I am just doing the same thing as the red. I apply the first layer, I cure it, I apply the second one, and now I'm playing with the magnet, and you can definitely see that background that has that brown tint. And all I can think of is what will happen if I choose another color as a background instead of using black? What if I use a dark brown? Will that make any difference? Would it give it more dimension? These are all good questions. Definitely have to play more and keep you guys updated on social media. Alright, so we are done reviewing all 6 bottles of the Apres Hypno Gel Series 1, and here are my thoughts. If you're looking to start creating your own cat eye collection, definitely this is a good started collection. Every color is highly pigmented, it's high quality, and I really like it. Also, if you started your collection and you like some colors more than others, you can go through their website and kind of mix and match colors. Just keep in mind that if you buy them separately, you will have to buy the magnets separately. The whole collection brings everything that you need. For improvements, I will have definitely have a different green. I was really sad to see that it wasn't a true green. I was expecting more rich color. I will have done like a forest green or a neon green. I also would have added to this collection pinks, oranges, yellows, and golds. I feel like those would have been really fun colors. Alright guys, this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I encourage you to leave me a comment and tell me your overall thoughts about the video. What color was your favorite? If you have used this collection before, if you have heard of this brand before, if you have played with cat eye before. I would just love to talk to you guys and interact. And if you have any questions, please do not forget to leave a comment. Also contact me on my social media, and I will see you guys very soon. Adios!